What's the meaning of acceptability? Acceptability. 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 Acceptability is the degree to which something is agreed or approved of by most people in a society. It is a subjective concept, and what is acceptable to one person may not be acceptable to another. Acceptability can be influenced by a variety of factors, including cultural norms, personal beliefs, and individual experiences. In the context of research, acceptability is often used to assess the potential of a new intervention or technology to be adopted by a target population. For example, a study of a new drug treatment for depression might assess the acceptability of the treatment to patients, doctors, and insurance companies. There are a number of ways to measure acceptability. One common approach is to ask people to rate their level of agreement with statements about the acceptability of a particular intervention or technology. Another approach is to ask people to describe their reasons for accepting or rejecting an intervention or technology. Acceptability is an important consideration in the development and implementation of new interventions and technologies. Interventions that are not acceptable to the target population are less likely to be effective.